Greetings everyone. Language is the dress of thought. With these inspirational lines, I, Seema Kapoor,
and I, Anuradha Tripathi,
feel privileged to welcome you all on behalf of Smith family on the annual Elocution Day 2022. Elocution has been an integral part and a yearly feature of our school for last 2 decades. Elocution plays an important role in the formation, articulation and the pronunciation of speech. It helps students to exhibit their authentic skills. Elocution competition helps students to develop their self-expression and confidence. I feel honored to share with you all that Smith School was the first school in Uttar Pradesh to start this event to help the students to overcome stage fear and to promote public speaking.
let me first acknowledge the presence of some eminent guests who are such beautiful souls that people crave their ride, want to surround themselves with such dreamers and doers and believers and thinkers. I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed judges. For English Elocution, Dr. Supriya Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Vasant Kanya Mahavidyalaya. Dr. Anima Padhi. For Hindi Elocution, Miss Pratima Luke, Teacher of Hindi Department of our school. Dr. Shashikala, Associate Professor of Hindi Department, Vasant Mahavidyalaya. Administrative Officer, Mrs. Pratyasha Mary Mukherjee, Teacher and students. It is very well said, small cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast. Now, I would like to invite the Administrative Officer, Mrs. Pratyasha Mary Mukherjee, to formally welcome our distinguished judges. I now request Pratyasha ma'am to formally welcome the esteemed judges.
A very warm good morning to one and all present over here, especially all the judges. And on behalf of Principal Ma'am and the entire W.H. Smith Memorial School Management, I would like to welcome each and everyone to our annual elocution event. This has been happening in Smith School from a very, very long time. As Anuradha ma'am pointed out that we were the first school in Uttar Pradesh to start this. And the main aim to start this was basically Principal ma'am said that from childhood, we have to teach children and we have to relieve the children from stage fear. And it was a very innovative way that through poems she came up with this idea of doing elocution every year. And really, students who have passed out from Smiths, when they have been faced in interviews, multinational company interviews, IAS interviews, they have been asked to recite poems. And from lower to class 12th, when they keep learning each year one poem, and they can compile a whole, compilation of poems, and when they have responded to the interviewees that yes sir, we know poem, the interviewees are really thrilled, and they ask that why is it that you are few of them who know, and they have pointed out the fact that our school used to conduct elocution. As everyone knows, poetry recitation is good for developing oratory skills amongst young children, and also their way of expression and their speaking skills. So this is actually today is the junior elocution. So we have little tiny tots right from lower nursery to class 4. We will be seeing them, and without further ado, I will not take any time, and we will start the program. Once again, thank you so much to all the judges on behalf of entire Smith School family, and once again welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I now invite Mrs. Payal Agarwal to introduce our esteemed judge, Dr. Supriya Singh.
True guidance is like a small torch in a dark forest. It does not show everything at once, but it gives enough light for the next step to be safe. A very good morning to all of you present here. It's our pleasure to have Dr. Supriya Singh with us today as the judge for poem elocution. Dr. Supriya Singh is an assistant professor in English department of Vasanta Kanya Mahavidyalaya. Ma'am has completed her Masters and Doctor of Philosophy in English Literature from BHU. Since her days in BHU, Ma'am has been inclined towards research and academic engagements and takes pride in associating with one of the prestigious colleges in Varanasi as her workplace. Ma'am takes pleasure in closely working with students and researchers. Ma'am even wrote 2 books, out of which one is a collection of short stories, Cheers to Life, that has an international recognition, and the other one is an edited book titled Inculcation of Substantial Development Through Higher Education and Overview. Ma'am has been also invited as a resource person in various seminars, conferences and workshops. She has been also been a guest lecturer many times in many of the schools. So we welcome you, ma'am.
Let us now begin with the elocution. Our tiny tots of lower nursery A are here to showcase their poetry reciting talents. Students, ready?
Good morning, we the student of class 1 nursery A are going to recite English rhyme 1 2 Pakal my shoe and Hindi rhyme Jharna. 1 2 Buckle my shoe, 3 4 shut the door, 5 6 pick up sticks, 7 start.
Start. 1
2 Buckle my shoe, 3 4 shut the door, 5 6 pick up sticks, 7 8 red up step, 9 10 start. Kal 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 beta beta सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल होता मत करो रुक नहीं तो चलते जाओ. Good morning. We, the students of class 1 nursery B, they are here. They're going to recite the English poem. I can see the Hindi poem Chidiya Udti Phar Phar Phar. I can see black. I can see light. Hello, people. I look around. I look around. Goodbye, goodbye. चिड़ियाती है स्वागत गाते चिंचन का जोर जोर को जाल देना क्या चमार कमाल देना जाती आरमान उल्पता खुला मलयाती उगाड़ी पतंग इसको काटे उसको काटे पेड़ चली पतंग मतलब जाती पूछ जाती चली पतंग Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Sujita Chatterjee of class Upper Nursery B, are going to recite a poem. The poem is I am lucky. If I were butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a manna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you but me. Thank you.
Pratima Liu, teacher of Hindi in our school.
Leadership is not about titles, positions, or flowcharts. It is about one life influencing others. With these beautiful lines, I would like to take the opportunity to introduce our esteemed judge, Miss Pratima Liu. Ma'am had completed her initial education from St. Louis Convent School, Ghazipur, and her 10th and 12th from Rajkiya Balika Inter College, Ghazipur. Ma'am did her graduation and post-graduation from Harish Chandra College, Varanasi. Since 3 generations, all her family members are working in the education department. Her father was the principal of Government Boys Inter College, Almora. After working in many schools, Ma'am is currently working in W.H. Smith Memorial School as a Hindi teacher. Ma'am believes in simple living and high thinking. We welcome you, ma'am. The crown of literature is poetry. The students of class 1A are now here to recite their poems.
Good morning to one and all. We are the students of class 1A are here to recite English elocution poem Spring. Spring is the season of flowers which arrive after winter and before the summer. It is the season of fragrance, beauty, fresh leaves and flowers. Thank you. Out of cave, out of hole, bare rabbit little more. Heads from hanging nest in trees. The birds are back and so are bees. The flowers bloom, the leaves are green. How do they know when it's spring? Build your nest, the bugs are back. Little spider dressed in black. Flowers, rabbit, birds and bees. Flowers, grass and leaves. Just like me, their faces bark. That's how they know spring has come. Thank you. सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम गार्गी किसवानी। आज हम सब आपको हिंदी कविता सुनाने जा रहे हैं। हम सब 1A के छात्र हैं। आप सबको कविता सुनाएंगे। कविता का नाम रसोई घर। आज रसोई घर की खिड़की मुन्ना मुन्नी खोल रहे हैं। अंदर देखा चकला बेलन, चाकू छन्नी बोल रहे हैं। मैं चाकू सब्जी फल काटूं, टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सबको बांटूं। गाजर मूली प्याज टमाटर छीलो काटो रखो सजाकर। गोल चांसी मुंह में थाली, बज सकती हूँ बनकर ताली। भुने रोटी सब्जी लाली और सभी ने झटपट खा ली। धन्यवाद धन्यवाद। Good morning everyone. We, the students of class 1B, are going to present English poem, The Rainbow. What is a rainbow? Does anybody know? Where does it come from and where does it अब हम आपके समक्ष हिंदी कविता एक सवाल प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। आओ पूछे एक सवाल, मेरे सिर में कितने बाल, कितने आसमान में तारे, बतलाओ या कह दो आरे, नदियाँ तो बहती दिन रात, चिड़िया क्या करती है बात, बिल्ली क्यों चूहे को खाए, फूल कहाँ से रंग को पाए, रहते क्यों ना सब एक संग, बादल क्यों बरसाते पानी, बच्चे क्यों करते शैतानी, यह सब ईश्वर की माया है, इससे कौन जान पाया है। धन्यवाद।
What a wonderful performance, isn't it? Kindly give a huge round of applause.
Good morning everyone. We the students of class 1C are going to present the poem Life of a Plant before you. Start. A plant will grow from a tiny seed, some water and sun is all you need. First the roots go underground, they suck up minerals all around, and from some sound, and let the branches spread about. Leaves grow in all shapes and sizes. Watch this new life as it rises. Flowers bloom from buds on stems. They are as pretty as petal stems. Some plants give us juicy fruit. Some have vegetable at the root. New seeds travel to and fro by wind and water on the go. Thank you. हम कक्षा एक सके छात्र छात्राएं आप सबके समक्ष हिंदी कविता पुस्तक प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। स्टार्ट। मेरी पुस्तक रंग बिरंगी, कहे कहानी यह सतरंगी, कहती बातें नई पुरानी, जैसे बोले दादी नानी। मेरी पुस्तक रंग बिरंगी, कहे कहानी यह सतरंगी, कहती बातें नई पुरानी, जैसे बोले दादी नानी। परियों की सैर कराती, कभी कभी वो उन्हें डराती, कभी हंसाती कभी रुलाती, दुनिया की हर बात बताती। परियों की सैर कराती, कभी कभी वो हमें डराती, कभी हंसाती कभी रुलाती, दुनिया की हर बात बताती।
Education is not preparation for life. Education is the life itself. With these lines, I would like to welcome Miss Anima Pari. Ma'am has done MA in Political Science from Utkal University, Bhubaneswar, Advanced Diploma in Computer Applications BCA from SQL Star International, Bhubaneswar, and Masters in Oracle from SQL Star International, Bhubaneswar, which is certified by Oracle. She worked as a faculty and researcher of teaching software languages in CRAC, Bhubaneswar. Ma'am has a teaching experience of 3 years. She has taught English in junior classes and computer language in higher classes in BNS school. Ma'am, we are very fortunate to have you with us as a guidance for our little ones, and I take this opportunity to welcome you on behalf of the entire Smith family. Speech is the power. Speech is to persuade, to convert, to compel. Now, it's the turn of class 2A to come up on stage and recite their poems.
Good morning everyone. We the students of class 2A are here to recite the poem Our Earth. The purpose of this poem is to encourage us to take care of the earth. I am the earth and the earth is me. This quote tells us that we are part of the earth, and if it dies, we die as well. Therefore, if we want to live, we have to keep our earth alive by taking care of it. Start. Our earth. I am the earth and the earth is me. Each blade of grass, each honey tree, each blade of mud and stick and stone is blood and muscle and skin and bone. And just as I need every bit of me to make my body fit, so our dear earth also needs glass, stone and beautiful tree. That's why we must keep our earth blue and green and do our part to keep it clean. Because as long as life, as here as we, I am the earth and the earth is me. Thank you. सादर प्रणाम। हम कक्षा 2A के छात्र आपके समक्ष क्रिकेट का खेल नामक एक मजेदार कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। इस कविता में चूहे और बिल्ली की तानातानी बहुत रोचक ढंग से दिखाई गई है। तो चलिए इस मजेदार कविता का आनंद उठाएं। स्टार्ट। चूहे राजा क्रिकेट टीम के चुने गए कप्तान, अपनी बल्लेबाजी का था उनको बहुत गुमान। पैड बांध दस्ताना पहने, हेलमेट एक लगाए, टॉस जीत कर खुद ही पहले बैटिंग करने आए। उधर दूसरी टीम को नमस्ते। हम कक्षा 2 ब के छात्र आपके समक्ष हाथी की शादी नामक एक हास्य कविता पेश करने जा रहे हैं। इस कविता में हाथी की शादी के चित्रण को मजेदार ढंग से दिखाया गया है। धन्यवाद। स्टार्ट। हाथी राजा की थी शादी, सारा जंगल था बाराती, उठ किरण घोड़े थी साजे, झूम झूम कर मोर भी नाचे, चिड़िया मैना कोयल गाए, काला भालू ढोल बजाए, कुर्ता पहन बंदर मामा आए, सब मिलकर धूम मचाए, जब चीता और शेर पधारे, कांप उठे सब डर के मारे, शेर ने दी जैसे ही बधाई, सबके मुख पर रौनक आई, जंगल में बजू की शनाई, सबने जमकर दावत खाई। थैंक यू। थैंक यू। Good morning. We the students of class 2C are going to recite a poem Where is God? In this poem, the poet wants to tell us that God is omnipresent, omnipotent and omniscient. God has made this world beautiful and He loves us very much. Thank you. Start. Where is God? God is in the flower. God is in the tree. God is in the butterfly and the birds and bees. God is in the sunshine. God is in the storm. God is in the snow and frost that makes you have a form. God is in the good. God is in the bad. God is in what makes you happy and what makes you sad. God is everywhere you look and everywhere you go. God is your best friend always because God loves you so. Thank you. सुप्रभात। हमारी उम्र के सभी बच्चों के दांत टूटने लगते हैं। जब हमारे दांत टूटते हैं तो हमें कैसा अनुभव होता है यह हम आपको कवि द्वारा लिखी मेरे दांत नामक कविता के द्वारा बताने जा रहे हैं। धन्यवाद। छोटे छोटे मेरे दांत, सुनो जरा तुम इनकी बात। एक दांत हिलने लगा था, यह देख मैं डरने लगा था। एक दिन खाया मैंने बेर, दांत हो गया मेरा ढेर। टूट कर मेरे हाथ में आया, सीधा देकर मुझे सिखाया। माँ बोली मत रो बेटा, रहो सबके दांत होता, नया दांत जल्दी आएगा, फिर वह कभी नहीं जाएगा। मेरी बात को याद रखो, ज्यादा मीठा मत चखो, दिन में 2 बार करो मंजन, चमके दांत सदा चमचम। धन्यवाद।
I now invite Mrs. Shrestha Chakrabarti to introduce our esteemed judge for Hindi elocution, Dr. Sashikala.
An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. With these inspiring words, I wish you all a very good and a pleasant morning. A woman is the full circle. Within her is the power to create, nurture and transform. These lines truly define our eminent judge for today's Hindi elocution, Dr. Shashikala. I deem it a sheer privilege to introduce our judge to the gathering. Our respected judge, Dr. Shashikala, hails from a well-cultured family from Mirzapur. Ma'am has completed her graduation in Hindi, Sanskrit and Sociology from Purvanchal University. Ma'am is a postgraduate in Hindi and did her PhD from the eminent Banaras Hindu University, and her topic of research was Vrindavan Lal Verma ke Upanyas, Samvedan Evam Shilp. Ma'am also qualified the prestigious UGC NET in the year 2009. At present, Ma'am is working as the Associate Professor in Vasant Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Kamakhya, Varanasi. Her field of specialization is Katha Sahitya. Ma'am has an enriched experience of teaching undergraduate and postgraduate classes for 11 years. Ma'am is a well-known entity in the field of education and attended a series of seminars and workshops. Moreover, her papers and articles are kept getting published in prominent journals from time to time, which include संत रैदास की सामाजिक चेतना, हिंदी भाषा का स्वरूप विभाजन से लेकर आज तक, हिंदी आत्मकथा लेखिकाएं, पारिवारिक एवं सामाजिक जीवन, नैतिकता एवं आध्यात्मिकता के विकास में कबीर का योगदान एंड मैनी मोर. I, on behalf of the entire Smith family, welcome you once again, ma'am. We are extremely privileged to have you with us as a judge for today's elocution.
Keeping together is a progress. Without together is a success. Working together is a success. With these words, now it's turn of 3A class to recite their poems.
Good morning everyone. We the students of class 3A are here to present the English poem. The title is Be Kind by Alice Joyce Davidson. Start. Just a little bit of kindness can go a long, long way. Just a little bit of tenderness can brighten up a day. Just a bit of praise where it deserves can bring a happy glow. Just a hand can give some hope to someone feeling low. A forgiving word, a handshake, a pat upon the head can make a heavy heart and give us a smile instead. Just a little bit of kindness can go a long, long way. In practical benevolence, God shows us every day. Thank you. शुभ प्रभात. हम कक्षा 3A के विद्यार्थी आपके सामने कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका विशेषण है आलू बैगन की शादी, जिसकी कविता है निधि अग्रवाल. आलू बैगन की शादी में हो गए बाराती तैयार. गाजर भी अपने रंग में आ गया करने हलवा तैयार. टमाटर तो फूला ना समाया, कर दिया चटनी को माला माल. मिर्ची ने भी रंग जमाकर मचा दिया शादी में धमाल. मटर भी पनीर से बोली आओ हम भी हो जाए तैयार. अपने यार की शादी में लुटाए judges, headmistress, ma'am, teachers and my dear friend. We, students of class 3B, are going to represent a poem. The poem's name is Try, Try Again by T.H. Palmer. Start. It's a lesson you should heed if at first you don't succeed. Try, try, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. Try, try, try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail. Try, try, try again. If we strive, is no disgrace. Though we do not win the race, what should you do in that case? Try, try, try again. If you find your task is hard, time will bring you your reward. Try, try, try again. All that other folks can do, while with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view. Try, try, try again. Thank you. सुप्रभात। हम कक्षा 3 ब के विद्यार्थी आपके समक्ष इंस्पेक्टर कद्दू दादा नामक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसकी रचनाकार निधि अग्रवाल जी हैं। एक दिन खरबूजे की हुई तरबूजे से खूब लड़ाई, मिलकर मोटे तरबूजे ने खरबूजे की बैंड बजाई। डरकर खीरे ककड़ी ने 100 नंबर पर फोन मिलाया, अपनी सारी फौज को लेकर इंस्पेक्टर कद्दू दादा आया। मोटे कद्दू दादा ने फिर अपना रौब जमाया, बोले क्या माजरा है, क्यों मुझको फोन मिलाया। इतने में लौकी रानी ने पूरी बात बताई, कौन छोटा है कौन बड़ा, इस बात पे हुई लड़ाई। कद्दू दादा ने फिर दोनों को बात ये समझाई, बोले झगड़ा बंद करो, अच्छी नहीं लड़ाई। न कोई छोटा ना कोई बड़ा, सबके अपने अपने गुण, सब करते काम है अच्छा, सब अपने में है निपुण। आपस में न कभी लड़ते, सब है भाई भाई, मिल मिलकर काम करो सब, इसमें है सबकी भलाई। धन्यवाद। Good morning everyone. We the students of class 3C are here to recite the elocution poem. The title of our poem is To Smile by Spec Milligan. Smiling is infectious, you catch like a flu. When someone smiled at me today, I started smiling too. I walked around the corner and someone saw me grin. When he smiled, I realized I had passed it on to him. I thought about the smile and then realized it was a single smile like mine could travel around the world. So if you feel a smile begin, don't leave it undirected. Start an epidemic and get the world infected. Thank you. सुप्रभात। हम कक्षा 3 से विद्यार्थीगण आपके समक्ष हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका शीर्षक है चिंटू जी। इस कविता के रचयिता हैं डॉक्टर प्रकाश मनु। अपना रोब जमाते नन्हे मुन्ने चिंटू जी, भैया से अब्बा कहते हैं, दीदी से करते हैं की, पापा से कहते हैं मेरा दिखलाओ जी। कल है छुट्टी कैसे कैसे दाव चलाते नन्हे मुन्ने चिंटू जी। हलवा पूड़ी जी भर खाते या फिर बर्फी पिस्ते वाली, रसगुल्ले जब आते घर में आ Good morning to one and all. We, the students of class 4A, are here to recite English elocution poem Rainforest, written by Tony Mitten. Forest, my mother, feed me your food. Forest, my father, raise me my root. Forest, my shelter, spread me your shade as I walk in the glow of green forest glade. Forest of whispers and intricate ways. Forest of tales that slip through your maze. Forest of mysteries, subtle and deep. You glide like a snake through my waking and sleep. Forest, the home of my eye and my hand. Forest, the meaning I understand. Forest, the ground where I place my tread, where I breathe my being and pillow my head. Forest, the world I depend upon. Where will I walk when my forest has gone? Thank you.
सुप्रभात। हम कक्षा 4 के विद्यार्थी आप सभी के समक्ष हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका शीर्षक है क्या कहने हैं सूरज भाई। इस कविता की रचयिता का नाम इंदिरा गौड़ है।
क्या कहने हैं सूरज भाई, अच्छी खूब दुकान सजाए और दिनों की तरह आज भी जमा लिया है खूब बहारा। पहले दिनों की झाड़ू से घना अंधेरा तुमने झाड़ा, फिर कोहरे को पोंछ उषा की लाल लाल चादर फैलाई। जो भी तुमको आते देखा डर कर दूर अंधेरा भागा। दिन भर किया बाधा से थक कर जो सोया था जागा। झाँक झाँक कर खिड़की द्वारे जब तुमने आवाज लगाई, दिन भर अपना सौदा बेचा जैसे किरण धूप गरमाए। शाम हुई दुकान समेटी उड़ा लिया सामान फटाफट, बस फिर उस दिन बादल आए जिस दिन लेके और लगाए। धन्यवाद। Good morning to one and all. We the students of class 4B are here to recite English elocution poem Nature's Way, written by Lenore Hedrick. Start. The little tree by the old road fence grew in the summer sun. I want to grow tall, said the little tree, and growing is so much fun. The little brook running beneath the bridge babbled and sang all day. I want to become a river, it said, so I'm hastening on my way. The little bird fluttered from out the nest and flew far across the yard. I will be a big bird, said she and twittered. If each day I try real hard. The little boy stood on his tiptoes and stretched. I am just like the rest, said he. I want to grow up and see the big world, and the sooner the better for me. Mother Nature smiled at all her redlings, but she did not let them stay. She knew that to live and grow and age is forever nature's way. Thank you. सुप्रभात। हम कक्षा 4 के विद्यार्थी आप सभी के समक्ष हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसके शीर्षक है सम्मेलन होगा। इस कविता के रचयिता हैं शकुंतला कालरा। स्टार्ट। गीतों का सम्मेलन होगा, तुम सबको ये बात बतानी है। अगर अगर घर में ढक बोले तुम भी चलना कोयल रानी। नींबू बंदर चीकू मेढक मोती कुत्ता गए बुलाए, जा We, the students of class 4C, are here to recite English elocution poem, The Wonder of Nature.
Nature, nature, so lush and green, the wonder of wonder anyone has seen. So cool, calm and full of life, makes us forget all our strife. Think of a forest full of trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Cut them down and construct towers, wait for ages to get the shaft. The birds that soar high in the sky can imitate them however far behind. Learn to wonder and gape at things and see the happiness it brings. We have got such wonderful things. Do what you can and save a thing, so that our children in future can see the things we have nurtured. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। हम कक्षा 4 के विद्यार्थी आपके समक्ष हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका शीर्षक है हरी भरी पालक। इसके रचयिता हैं निधि अग्रवाल।
हरी धरतियों ने एक दिन आपस में होड़ लगाई, कौन गुणों वाला है सबसे, किसने है मान बढ़ाई। सबसे पहले कड़वे करेले ने ये छोटे ने चिल्लाया, जिसने दिल को आया शुगर है मान भगाया। इसके बाद हरी मटर ने अपना भी मुंह खोला, बोली मुझे थोड़े तो क्या हुआ, जिसमें भी पड़ जाऊं उसका स्वाद बड़ा प्यारा हूं। इसके बाद भूली बेचारी धीरे से कुछ बोली, आहो थोड़ा मुझको भी कम हो गई खाने की बोली। इसके बाद राजा भी लग बोले, आहो थोड़ा मुझको भी मेरे बुद्धि है अंधेरे। तब से हमें हरी भरी पालक की बारी आई, बोली मुझको खाता जो बढ़ जाता है आयरन धन्यवाद।
That was a mesmerizing show today. I request our administrative officer, Mrs. Pratyasha Neri Mukherjee, to now felicitate our judges. Ma'am, please be seated. Dr. Anima Padi, ma'am, I request you to come over the stage. Ma'am, please be seated. Pratima ma'am, please request, come over the stage. Dr. Sashikala ma'am, I request you to come over the stage.
धन्यवाद आप सभी को कि आपने हमें ये अवसर दिया। आप के जो नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे थे हम लोगों को बहुत प्रभावित किए और इतनी सुंदर तैयारी कराया था आप लोगों ने कि हम लोग क्योंकि बड़े बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं तो लगता है कि आप लोग इतना मेहनत कैसे कर पाते हैं, क्योंकि हम अपने घर में ही अपने बच्चों को नहीं संभाल पाते हैं और आप लोग इतने सारे बच्चों को संभालते हैं। और बहुत अच्छी प्रस्तुति थी। आप लोगों को शुभकामनाएं कि भविष्य में आप और भी अच्छा करें। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, ma'am. I now invite Dr. Supriya Singh to say a few inspirational words. Ma'am, please.
Thank you so much to the staff, as you have given us a beautiful opportunity to see these beautiful birds. And the best thing I saw in this program is that there was a very beautiful teamwork that you are inculcating in the students. Earlier we were expecting that we have to judge a single student, but when I come to know that we have to judge the whole class, so it is something quite amazing, because this kind of team spirit through such team you can say kind of when you are presenting whole class at the same time, this way you are inculcating team spirit in the students. So this is quite amazing for me. And the best thing that the category that you have divided, that is gesture, emotions and overall presentation, this was again amazing thing, because this was not only calculating or evaluating the mechanical thing that is in the student, rather you are giving importance to their gesture, their emotions basically, because nowadays I think that these things, the values are no more being given so much importance in the various schools I have seen. So these are such things that I really appreciate, and I congratulate the whole school for arranging such a beautiful, for organizing such a beautiful program. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I now invite Dr. Anima Padhi, ma'am, to say a few words.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all the Smith family, to give me a chance to judge all these tiny tots. Actually, it was very difficult for us to judge them because all of them are performed very well, and the labor behind these students can be seen. I mean, all the teachers have done a big work. So a big round of applause for all the teachers as well as students. So my blessings and all the best to all of you. And I guess this is a very good starting from all the students who have joined the school after this COVID. They had introduced themselves at the school and standing in the, standing on the stage and facing the judge as well as all the teachers is a big thing. So all the best and my best wishes to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now it is time for the most awaited moment of the result declaration. I invite Pratyasha ma'am to announce the result.
So, amongst class lower nursery and upper nursery, the third position has been backed by class lower nursery A. Can we have a huge round of applause? At the second position, we have upper nursery Nursery A. And at the first position we actually have a tie between Upper Nursery B and Upper Nursery C. In class 1 and 2, the third position has been backed by class 1C. The second position has been backed by class 2B. And at the first position we have class 2A. Amongst class 3 and 4, at the third position we have class 3A. At second position we have class 4A. And at the first position we have class 4B. Congratulations each and everyone.
Yeah, good morning everyone. Now the result of English elocution. The group 1, lower nursery and upper nursery. The third position bagged by lower nursery A. And second position is upper nursery A. And the first position is upper nursery C. Very good. Now in second group, classes 1 and 2, the third position is class 2C. Second position class 2A. And in first position there is a tie between class 1B and 2B. Now in third group, the third position class 4B and second position class 4A and first position class 4C. Congratulations children.
I now invite Mrs. Meenakshi Singh, Senior Teacher of English, to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Seema ma'am. Congratulations children. Happy? Hip hip? Okay, very happy. Acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation for all abundance. Good morning everyone. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, my heartfelt gratitude to all our judges, Dr. Supriya Singh, Dr. Anima Padi, Dr. Shashi, Ms. Pratima Liu, who despite their busy schedule have found time to grace this occasion and have also enriched our students with their motivational speech and guidance. My heartfelt thanks goes to our principal ma'am, Dr. Anita Polinde, under whose guidance we reached the height of perfection. I would also like to thank our manager sir, Mr. Pradeep Kumar Dey, who is a great support and serves as a backbone of every program in our school. I am very grateful to our headmistress, Mrs. Sangeeta Nayak, who had put in effort to make this program a success. My heartfelt gratitude
goes to our administrative officer, Mrs. Pratyasha Mukherjee, who took keen interest and guided the students to reach the height of perfection. I owe special gratitude to all my fellow teachers who stood behind each child to improve accent, pronunciation and rhythm of the poetry. I thank all the students for their wonderful performance and also the audience to give a patient listening. I owe my gratitude to the compeers who conducted this program so efficiently. I owe special gratitude to our supervisor, sir, Mr. Supojit Mukherjee and his team who have worked very hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. Thank you. Thank you everyone.